Here's how to quality check your YouTube thumbnail and YouTube title before your video goes live on your channel. So this is thumbsup.tv, and very simply all you have to do is just drag in your thumbnail, put your title, and I like to toggle on the dark mode, and this is going to show you what your thumbnail and your title is going to look like in the various places that YouTube is going to push it out. So on mobile, desktop, and even TV. So I highly recommend you quality check your thumbnails before they go out. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to find photos in Canva that match your brand colors. Check it out. So let's say we want to find branded photos in this color here. So go up to the color tab right there. We are going to click on this plus button so we can find that hex code. We're going to copy that. Now go into the left hand side, click on the photos, and then hit this 3 dash kind of button here. We're going to paste in that hex code previously, apply filters, and now we're going to filter for what photos we want. So let's say house, and now you have photos in or similar to your brand colors. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to copy style from one element to another using the paintbrush tool in Canva. Let's say we want to copy over this style of text right here to these 3 text boxes right here. So first, let's click on this text box here. We're going to go up to the 3 dots right here, click on the copy style. Then we're going to click and drag across each of these 3 boxes and let go of our mouse, and there you can see that it copies the style over. You can also apply this to shapes as well. So let's say we want to copy over this style of the circle to the square. Again, let's click the circle, go up to those 3 dots, click the paintbrush tool, and click on the square, and it copies over that exact style. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's a keyboard shortcut so you can select between all the various elements on your Canva design. As you can see here, I have many elements on this design here, and if we click on the Canva button and press the tab button on our keyboard, we can select between all the elements, and I want to select this flower that's behind everything here, and I'm going to click those 3 dots right here so I can bring it to the front without disturbing any of the elements that are already in place. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. If you are sharing your YouTube videos in IG stories, here's a hack to have Instagram open the video natively in the YouTube app. So go to LinkTwn, so linktw.in, and go ahead and copy the URL of your YouTube video and paste it into here. And this is going to generate a unique link, and all you have to do is copy this link and paste it into the link section in your IG story. So here is a recording of what it will look like when somebody actually clicks the link in your IG story. What it's going to do is actually open up the YouTube app natively and play your video, which will actually push your traffic from IG to YouTube to help you gain some more views. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to use the frames and mockups in Canva to take your design and marketing to the next level. To find these frames, go into the Elements tab and scroll down till you see frames and click see all. Now with Canva Pro, you have a variety of frames to choose from, and I typically like to use this iPhone one most of the time. It's very easy to use, so you can just drag in a photo just like that, and there you go, special frames and mockups. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to instantly resize and duplicate any Canva design to fit any social media platform. Alright, let's say we want to turn these IG feed posts, which are 1080 by 1080, into an Instagram story, which is 1080 by 1920. So first we're going to go up to this resize button up here, which is a Canva Pro feature, and we are going to find the IG story, which is this 1080 by 1920 pixel design right here. Click on that, click copy and resize, and Canva is going to duplicate this design in that IG story dimension as you see here. So from IG feed to IG story. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how you can level up your content creation game using page animations in Canva. Here I have a YouTube end screen, and right now it's pretty boring other than the fact that it has some drone footage in the background, but I want to animate all of this. So let's click outside the design here, go up to this animate tab, and Canva has a whole bunch of combinations that we can play around with. So go ahead and hover over each of them if you'd like, but there's something about this corporate one that I really like. So I'm just gonna click on that one and let's play it back from the beginning. Look at that. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's a hack to force people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Let me show you. So I actually have a full tutorial on how to do this on my YouTube channel, but in the description of this video, I have the code right here, which is subconfirmation equals 1. Now you want to copy this code, open up your YouTube channel in a different tab, and paste that code at the end of your URL. Go ahead and click enter, and what's going to happen is YouTube is going to pop up this notification tab that says confirm channel subscription, and now you can take this link and shorten it using bit.ly and share this across all your social platforms so people are now forced to subscribe to your channel. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to embed a playable YouTube video directly into your Canva design. So here is a real estate landing page I have here in Canva, which is pretty much just a presentation in Canva that you can shoot out as a website. So let's say we want to put a YouTube video right here. So go to your YouTube channel, grab your preferred YouTube video, copy the URL, go back into Canva, scroll down on the left hand side and click the apps button. Now here you'll see the YouTube app, and now we can paste in the YouTube URL, click enter, and very simply click on your video and it will be propped right into your Canva design. So now to use this, all we have to do is to click the share button, click the website here, and we want this to be in the scrolling navigation. So if we open up the site here, we can scroll down and see this as a website or a landing page. We can click on this, we can play the video that's embedded, and there you go, my friends. That's how you add a video to your designs. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to make your videos look amazing in Canva using page transitions. So here is a YouTube intro animation for a YouTube channel, and it's a video animation here on Canva, and as you can see, it's pretty boring. So I want to add in a transition, and to do that, we're going to click this plus button, add transition, and Canva Pro gives you a bunch of options, but the new one they just introduced is this color wipe one, which is awesome because you can add in your brand color. So let's go ahead and do just that. So we're going to change this color here, change that color here, and as you can see, you can also change the direction of the color wipe. So let's go ahead and do this one, and now if we play it back, this is what it will look like. Boom. There you go. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more. Here's how to hyperlink anything and everything so you can take your PDF documents to the next level in Canva. So here is a home buying roadmap template I have here. This is a PDF design, but let's say we want to hyperlink these social media icons right here. So go ahead and click on this, go up to the right upper corner and click on this link button, and this is where you're going to paste in that URL. So go to your YouTube channel, grab your link, go back into your design, and let's paste it in here. Press enter, and then Canva says link added. Now we can download this as a PDF file. So do that, PDF standard, download, and give it a second to do so. Alright, you can click on this, and now we can see if it is linked. Click on that, and it opens up your YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this quick tip, please be sure to like and follow for more.